An insurance agent offers auto insurance, homeowners, and renters. The purchase of homeowners insurance and the purchase of renters insurance are mutually exclusive. The okay, 17% of clients have none of the three. 64% have auto. Twice as many have homeowners as renters. 35% have two of the three. 11% have homeowners but not auto. Calculate the percentage that have both auto and renter. So let A be the percent who have auto insurance, H be the percent that have homeowners, and R be the percent that have renters insurance. Now, one condition that we are told is that the homeowners and renters are mutually exclusive. So in fact, that's told before the condition 1, that the purchase of homeowners and purchase of renters are mutually exclusive. So that's a very important detail. So this means that if you have a renter, you will not have home insurance. And if you have home insurance, you will not have renters. So one excludes the other. So in diagram, that will mean that there is no overlap between homeowners and renter. So we'll draw the diagram. The three circles will represent the homeowners, renters, and the auto. And you see there is no overlap between the homeowners and the renters. Those circles are standalone circles from each other. And the rectangle represents the whole universe. And we are told that 17% have none of the three. So that was the first condition. So that 17% is written outside the three circles, but still in the rectangle. Rectangle represents everybody. And and then this 11% comes from the fact that 11% have homeowners, but not auto. So the full circle is homeowners. So this part is 11%. And then this part where you have both homeowners and auto, that's X. So 11% have homeowners, but not auto. Okay. And then we are told that 64% have auto. So that will mean that auto is this W plus X plus Y. So W plus X plus Y is 64%. And then the first condition, the condition I wrote before that is that there are twice. So let's look at that condition. That was condition 3. That twice as many clients have homeowners as renter. So it means the number of homeowners is twice that of renter. So I put H is equal to twice of renter. H is equal to 2R. And since I can see from here that H is 11 plus X and R is Y plus Z, so 11 plus X is equal to twice Y plus Z. So that's that equation. And then as we talked before, X plus Y plus W is 64. X plus Y plus W is 64 because the total auto is 64 and these three represents the total auto. And then we are told that 35% condition is saying that 35% have two of the three. So two of the three means you could have either home and auto, that's X, or you could have renter and auto, that's W. Remember, you cannot have both home and renter, they were mutually exclusive. So it means two of the three could be either this or this. So that's, and or means addition. So that's why X plus Y is 35%. And now we can look at equation 2 and 3 to see that W must be 29 because x plus y is 35. So if you put 35 for the x plus y, that gives W is 29. And also the total sum of everything I have over here is 100%. That's the whole universe. So that means 11 plus x plus y plus z plus w plus 17% is 100. So 11 plus x plus y plus z, and I have substituted the value of w since we already know that that's 29, and then plus 17 is this outside, which is none of the three. And all that should equal 100. So from here, I see that y plus z will be 43 minus x because 11, 29 is 40, and then 57, and then when you subtract from 100, that's 43, and then take the x on the other side. So that gives me y plus z is 43 minus x. And the reason I get y plus z is because then I can substitute that y plus z in equation 1, and that will give me the x. So I get 11 plus x is equal to 2 times y plus z, so 2 times 43 minus x, and when I solve this equation, I get x equals 25. And remember, the question was calculate the percent that have both auto and renters. So both auto and renters is actually y. Y is the overlap of auto and renter. So the goal is to find y. And now we are at the stage where we have found x and we have this equation. So when I substitute x equals 25 in this equation, I get y equals 10. And that means the correct answer is B, 10%. I was just not writing the percentages with all of them.